Hey everybody, so I thought I would do a quick haul, and I hope you all had a wonderful Labor Day weekend. So I took advantage of some of the sales that were going on. So I got some women's underwear just to put up the top part of my closet, so I have them just in case I can't get them. I got some of this Molisana elbow macaronis, and I'm going to do a canning recipe with these. Yes, I'm gonna can noodles. I got 8-pack, I think it is, of tuna fish. Always adding to the tuna because we like tuna around here. I got some light bulbs for my bathroom because I can never find these things even during normal times, and they had these on sale on rollback at Walmart, and I think it takes 5. There's 3 in this box, so I can fill it and then have my backups for when they burn out. I got a cantaloupe. I haven't been able to find my husband cantaloupe all year, so I got him that. I got some whole grain pita bread, and it feels really soft, so I can't wait to have that with like a sandwich or some hummus. I got some Cajun 15 bean soup. I got some Great Northern white beans. I got another bag of white rice. I got some melatonin just because I don't sleep well at all. I got this Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch. These are really good. If you haven't tried any of these, the hot wing stuff, this is really good. So it works really well like on your canned chicken legs, chicken wings, all kinds of stuff. It's really good. I got probiotics, and I would recommend to women you have some of these on hand. Well, everybody, but women mostly, because if we have to start eating things that aren't, fresh, this canned stuff and all that, women have a tendency, our bellies rebel a little more than men's at times. Raisin cinnamon bread for toast. I already had a piece of that. Some pommy rustic tomatoes. I got some sliced almonds for hubby's granola. I'm always buying for his granola. I got some Badia all-purpose ketchup seasoning, so if I have to make my own ketchup. I have my husband's grandmother's recipe for homemade ketchup, so he's wanting me to make that. I got this to try because he's trying to get off of a lot of carbohydrates. He's a potato bread kind of guy. So instead of rice, I got this dehydrated riced cauliflower. So we will try that on the channel and see how it is. I mean, this small bag really will end up making a lot. It's for 2.5 tablespoons. You get a half a cup ready to eat rice cauliflower. So we'll see how that goes. I got a can of black beans. I got 2 cans of fruit cocktail. And let's get this guy out of the way. I got a propane heater. This goes on one of the smaller propane tanks. So after that crazy winter we have a buddy heater, but I got this as well. for, well, because it was darn cold is why I got it. And if you're using these heaters, I know a lot of van people and RVers and stuff use the buddy heaters in their vehicles. If you're going to do that, please get a carbon monoxide detector. So I got that because we will be using the buddy heater or that heater. If we have that cray-cray we had last year, that was beyond my realm of tolerance. We got some apricot halves. Honestly, I've never had canned apricots, and I love apricots, so I hope those are good. And then I never have tomato paste when I need it, so I got this on Amazon. It's a 12-pack of tomato paste, so I got that. And then I got two of these, you see those? Two of these like basins for washing. So yeah, just got a few things from the Labor Day sales online, a little bit of Walmart, a little bit of Amazon, and I got this on a website. I can't remember where it was, but I'm sure I have the email that will remind me. And I've never tried these Cajun. I don't usually use the seasoning packets, but this one might be good with the Cajun seasoning, so going to try those. And yeah, I just wanted to touch base. I took the day off yesterday and I haven't had really anything to share. I did a stir fry for dinner with some pot stickers. Last night I had my husband smoke that brisket I told you all about, and just made some pea salad and deviled eggs and baked beans and stuff, and relaxed at home with him. And now you probably hear the pitter-patter of my dogs racing back and forth. I thought I'd wait until everybody was in bed. And the littles are acting like little toddlers. They're so much like little kids racing down the halls. So kind of reminds me of the good old days when everybody was little. Anyways, I just wanted to say hi, share this menagerie, this random haul of stuff, and yeah, I hope y'all are doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. We're going to be canning some French fries.